Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we're back here once again with a brand new video for all of you. And what an exciting one do I have planned for all of you today, and that is because today we are bringing you the first hands-on first look at the upcoming and all new DJI Mavic 4. Yes, you've heard that right. The Mavic 4 has just been leaked, and in today's video we're bringing you the world's exclusive, and we're gonna be sharing with you, talking about what this new drone has in store for all of us, and see whether or not there's any significant upgrades from the previous Mavic 3 Pro. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here. And if you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI products, whether it's the Air 3S or Air 4, Mini 5, and of course the upcoming Mavic 4, you already know this is the place to come for all of the latest updates and news. And also, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with today's video, which will be quite exciting. And that is because, yes, it's been a long time coming, the release of the Mavic 4. However, we anticipated that the Air 3S was actually gonna be released sooner. However, today something quite interesting came up, and that is that we just received not a picture, not a couple pictures, but rather a full hands-on 1 minute long video of the upcoming DJI Mavic 4. I can't believe it. It seems like DJI has been working pretty hard on this brand new drone, and it seems they're getting close to actually releasing out to the public. So what I would like to go ahead and do now is share this video with all of you guys, and after it we're gonna go ahead and come back and analyze everything that we just saw. So without any much further introduction, here we have the all new DJI Mavic 4. So guys, there you had it. I would love to know your comments and thoughts down in the comment section down below. What are you guys thinking? Are you digging this brand new design, or are you not? Do you think the design that DJI did was enough for this Mavic 4, or do you think they lacked a little bit? Also, what are you liking in terms of the camera? Do you like the camera setup or not? So what we've got right here is definitely the next DJI drone. Some of you guys have been asking me whether or not this is the real deal, or if this is something that someone made at home, or a prototype or something of that matter. So from what we are hearing right now, it seems like this is indeed the Mavic 4, and this is not a homemade prototype or anything of that matter. Could definitely maybe be a late in production prototype. However, from what we're hearing in the industry, this seems to be like the final product. However, things can always change, but I mean, this drone looks to me pretty much finished. Do I like the design? I don't know just yet. I think it's gonna start to grow on us as time goes on. However, what we've got on the camera is a Hasselblad camera with that triple lens setup. Now the main camera has been moved onto the top. Previously the main lens was on the bottom, so that has now been switched around. Why? I don't know just yet, but I do like the fact that these moving things around, making things different, and spicing things up. However, we don't know how big the sensor is actually gonna be. However, the rumors are indicating that this could be maybe a micro four thirds sensor. So I'm just throwing that out there. Maybe, maybe not. We don't see the exact specs on the camera lens, unfortunately. However, do expect to see some big significant changes over from the Mavic 3 Pro. Now, in terms of the battery, flight time, and all that good stuff, we don't have the specs just yet. However, stay tuned. They should be coming very soon. Obviously, you're gonna have it here first in this channel before anywhere else. So you know what, guys, what you've gotta do. Big battery that we have on this new Mavic 4. How big? Probably over 5,000 milliamperes for sure. Will it get over 15 minutes of flight time? Probably, I would say yes. I think DJI might, I don't know, even an hour, I don't know, but definitely over 15 minutes. I'm sure DJI is gonna be able to achieve that with this new Mavic 4. Overall design, I'm not the biggest fan, but we do see brand new optical avoidance sensors in the front, in the back, upwards, now mounted on the top of the body of the drone, something that I do like and quite different from all the previous DJI drones. Color, once again, that matte gray. I would like for DJI to do something different. Maybe a matte black will look pretty cool. Hopefully there's an option for that, but for now it seems like matte gray will be our only choice. But that is what I've got for all of you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna be making a couple follow-up videos, obviously with more specs, more photos, more good stuff from this Mavic 4. So if you want to be the first ones to know all of the latest details regarding the DJI Mavic 4, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications, since we do have also the release date coming in our next video. But this is just a little bit of a taste of what's coming in the next few days and weeks and months for DJI. Exciting stuff coming up, to be honest with you. But that is going to be it for today's episode. Let me know down your comments down below. Also, if you have any questions or doubts, don't hesitate to leave them down below. But that is going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.